हरमल पंचक्रोशी शिक्षण संस्था ह्या वर्सा सुवर्ण शताब्दी मनयता. ह्या निमतान हरमला संस्थेन फॅशन फिएस्टा जाले. ह्या वेळार आदले मुखेलमंत्री लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकर हजर आशिल्ले. डेस्क गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
For science, thereafter it could be commerce, arts, and only those who cannot seek admission there opt for catering or fashion designing. That is absolutely wrong. आपल्याक जे आवडटा, जे क्षेत्र आवडटा त्या क्षेत्रात वचूंक जाय. हुशार आसलेल्यांनी मुद्दाम वचूंक जाय, कारण थंय कॉम्पिटिशन कमी आसता आणि तुमची हुशारी आणि विद्वत्ता जी आसता त्याचो वापर थंय भरपूर करूंक मेळटा. जे प्रोफेशन आपल्याक आवडटा, ज्या प्रोफेशनान आपल्याक गोडी आसा, ज्या प्रोफेशनान आपल्याक आनंद मेळटा, समाधान मेळटा, ते प्रोफेशन निवडूंक जाय. ते प्रोफेशन जर घेतलें जाल्यार भितर जीव ओतूंक मेळटा आणि जीव ओतलो जाल्यार भितर यश मेळटा आणि यश तुमकां जीवनात समाधान दिवं शकता. आणि त्यामुळे लकीली बोथ दीज कोर्सेस आर व्हेरी गुड कोर्सेस. तुम्ही तुमच्या पांयार लगेच राहू शकतात. आमच्याकडे सायन्स, आर्ट्स, कॉमर्स सुद्धा असतात, पण those who are really interested in the field of catering or in the field of fashion designing should opt only for those courses. I would suggest
vocationalization of education is the core education in the present scenario in Goa. Besides tourism, there is a lot scope for the garment industry, and if every student looks forward in taking one step ahead in these two courses, definitely Goa can be a great destination for young entrepreneurs to come up in their life.
In my life, I need to give the best into it, otherwise I'm not going to reach anywhere. And finally, a day came in my life where I went on to teach the same subject in which I had failed. Because I took that failure as so seriously that it became my strength. So let me tell you, even if you fail in something today, make sure that failure doesn't keep you at your backstep. You have to take that failure and make it at your strength and try to be the best.
So you need to have passion, you need to have dedication. Anything is possible, my dear friends. You are the next generation, you are the future leaders of our country.